In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Wi-Fi calling on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26. I'll walk you through two simple methods to turn it on, so you can make calls over Wi-Fi when your cellular signal is weak. Let's jump right in. What is Wi-Fi calling? Wi-Fi calling lets you make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi connection instead of your mobile network. It's super useful in areas with poor signal but strong Wi-Fi. Method 1. Using the phone app. Open the phone app. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings. Tap on Wi-Fi Calling. Turn the toggle on. Once enabled, your phone will start using Wi-Fi for calls whenever it's available. Set calling preference. You'll also see calling preferences like Wi-Fi preferred, uses Wi-Fi whenever possible. Mobile network preferred, uses cellular first. Wi-Fi only on some carriers. Choose the option that works best for you. Method 2. Using device settings. Open the Settings app. Tap on Connections. Select Wi-Fi calling. Turn it on. And that's it. Wi-Fi calling is now active on your device. How to turn it off. If you want to disable Wi-Fi calling at any time, just go back to the same setting and turn the toggle off. That's how you can easily enable or disable Wi-Fi calling on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series.